here. He is Ryan.
And my Aotearoa Winton School, Kor Molly. She is Molly. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina this 20th of June.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki.
This week's word is hua, which is te reo for friend.
Which hua are you playing at lunchtime?
Ka pai. On to health and safety news.
Hi, VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Remember to stay off the muddy patches of grass as the mud travels into classrooms.
The ropes are out of bounds as they need some parts replaced. Please stay off these until you are told they can be used again.
On to birthday news.
Happy birthday to Luca Peters in room 10, who was turning the big 10. We hope you have a fab day.
Here is today's notices.
Please make sure you wait in your classroom for the heat-up tray to be delivered to your class by the heat-up monitors.
You are not to go up to the heat-up room or stop the monitors on the way to delivering the heat-up trays.
Remember, the library is open.
Miss Crow's music group to meet me in her room, in room 11, at the start of lunch with your lunch.
That's it from us.
Now, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box
below.
Get up.
And that's it from today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite pupu. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.